These act as a reducing agent. Such type of questions we will discuss now. Okay. Take carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay. Carbon down we will get silicon, nitrogen down we will get phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Okay. Here carbon is a fourth group element now. So maximum oxidation state is equal to its group number plus 4. Here nitrogen maximum oxidation state is plus 5. But oxygen not plus 6. But sulfur maximum oxidation state is plus 6. But not fluorine. Chlorine maximum oxidation state is plus 7. So what is plus 4 indicates means the maximum possibility of carbon losing electrons is only 4. Carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell. That 4 electrons it loses, it gets stability. Okay, na? So that's why we will get a plus 4 oxidation state. So other than this plus 4 oxidation state, still higher oxidation state it cannot show. Andre plus 3 plus 2 ಅದು possible ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But plus 5 plus 6 ಆ ತರ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Oxidation state of any element does not exceed its group number. I told that word. Okay, na? Here, what is the maximum loss of a carbon? Plus 4. That means it loses 4 electrons only. Shows plus 4. Andre, if any compound, in any compound, if carbon is given in plus 4 oxidation state, it is never act as a reducing agent. Reducing agent andre meaning it loses electrons. Already its maximum attention it did loses 4 electrons. So still if you want to remove few more electrons from carbon, it is not possible. Okay na? Andre final statement edandre any element in its higher oxidation states, any element in its higher oxidation state never act as a reducing agent. Never act as a reducing agent. Say for example, in one compound nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5. That is not act as a reducing agent. In one compound, say for example SO3, sulfur oxidation state is plus 6. Sulfur maximum loses 6 electrons only. You cannot expect more than that. It loses only 6 electrons. Why? Because sulfur is a 6th group element. Chlorine maximum oxidation state is plus 7. Okay, na? So it never loses electrons. It never loses electrons. Maximum losing is plus 7. Okay, na? So any element in its higher oxidation state is never act as a reducing agent. Any element in its higher oxidation state never act as a reducing agent. Any element in its lower oxidation state never act as a oxidizing agent. Andre in the chlorine 1 electron we want. Okay, na? Chlorine requires how many electrons to get noble gas configuration? 1 electron. So ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು accept ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So that's why any elements in its lowest oxidation state never act as a oxidizing agent. Any element in its highest oxidation state never act as a reducing agent. What about intermediate oxidation states? Intermediate oxidation state means it's like a cat on wall. It may jump either left side or right side. Okay, na? Clear? This is a 10 floors building. This is the highest oxidation state, is the lowest oxidation state. One person is there here. Here one person. So what is the possibilities to this person? For this person, no option. Compulsory how to move upward direction only. Okay, na? What is the option for this person?
You can move downwards.
So no chance. If you want to run, you have to come only down. No upper chance for this person. Suppose if person in middle, in 10 floors building, he is in middle, say for example 5th floor. So he may goes either up or goes down. That makes element in intermediate oxidation state shows intermediate oxidation shows either oxidation or reduction. That is called disproportionation. So disproportionation is possible when? Is it possible in highest oxidation state?
No,
Is
sir.
sir.
Intermediate
oxidation states?
No, sir.
Intermediate oxidation.
Intermediate oxidation states? Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, now are you clear that? So very, very important point is this is. Okay. Page number. Which number? 432, na? Level 1. Which of the following reaction involves oxidation reduction? Option 4, ma. Why option 4? Question number H2 plus Br to HBr.
Yes.
0. H2 0 na plus 1.
0, sir.
0, sir.
Zero, sir.
0 plus 1.
Bromine minus 1. Okay, na? 0 to plus 1. Loss of electrons. 0 to minus 1. Gain of electrons. Eradu ide alva? So that's why it is a
Sir.
reverse reaction. What about remaining options? In remaining options, you please check later. No change in oxidation numbers for reactants and products. Okay, na? Say take first one only. First one only I will explain. Remaining you please apply same. Na plus gives NaCl HBr. ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಏನನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್? ನೋ.
No, sir.
ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ? ನೋ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋ. So that's why it is a just a reaction, not a redox reaction. Redox reaction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್
Change in oxidation state.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Otherwise it is not a redox reaction. Okay, clear? Next, come to second question. H2O2. Name ಏನಪ್ಪ H2O2? Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Minus 1 I will write. Hydrogen peroxide ಅಲ್ಲಿ peroxide ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 0, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ minus 1. Sorry, minus 2. ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಸೊ minus 1 to minus 2, minus 1 to 0. ಇದು increasing, ಇದು decreasing. ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Same element undergoes oxidation and reduction. We have one name. Disproportionation.
Reaction.
Disproportionation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Undergoes oxidation, reduction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ absorption. Oxygen is either oxidized or reduced. Clear? Any doubt? Indudar. Next. In photosynthesis of carbohydrate and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which of the following statement is not correct? Please listen. This I will explain. Okay, ಇದು photosynthesis reaction. Here carbon oxidation state is +4 here carbon oxidation state is 0. +4 to 0 means very good. So CO2 is act as a oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent is said to be reduced.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second option.
CO2 is oxidizing agent. Okay.
Sir, fourth option.
Wait. It is a redox reaction. That's correct statement. He is asking which is not correct. That's correct, alva? It is a redox reaction. That's correct. Next, CO2 is reduced to carbohydrates. Yes, CO2 is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is said to be reduced. So that's no correct. Next, water oxidized to oxygen. That's no correct. Water oxidation state -2. Literally 0. -2 to 0 means loss of electron. Loss of electron is reducing agent. Reducing agent is said to be oxidized. That's no correct. Remaining fourth option is wrong. CO2 is oxidized equivalent. CO2 is reduced. Correct statement. Next, H2S react with the halogens. The halogens are reduced. Reaction note whatever. Here I am taking chlorine as example. So sulfur -2 alva really 0, chlorine 0, really -1. -2 to 0 andre it loses electron. So loses electron means it is a reducing agent. Reducing agent is said to be oxidized. So chlorine 0 to -1. 0 to -1 means it is gaining electron, 1 electron. We are getting minus charges. Minus means it is gaining electron. So it is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is said to be which is here halogen
Reduced.
so
Yes, sir.
Reduced like that. Next, which of the following cannot act as a reducing agent? Just now I told you apartment floors related. Try ಮಾಡಿ ClO2 chlorine oxidation state ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? Chlorine
+7.
You are telling normal highest oxidation state +7. That's correct. I am not bothering about
+4, sir. +4.
That's important. +4. Next, carbon +4.
Yes.
Nitrogen +4. Sulfur +4. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ +4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಶೋಸ್ +7 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is act as a reducing agent. Chance to act as a reducing agent andre still there is a chance to lose few more electrons. Okay, so ClO2 is not a answer. ClO2 is act as a reducing agent. Okay, next, nitrogen common oxidation state ಏನು maximum +5 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, still there is a chance to lose one more electron, so that's why it is also act as a reducing agent. Next, SO2 sulfur common oxidation state maximum +6
Yes, sir.
+4 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 2 electrons loss ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. So that's why first option, third option, fourth option are act as a reducing agents also. Next, what about second option?
No, sir. It is maximum oxidation state.
Carbon in its highest oxidation state. Any element is in its highest oxidation state never act as a reducing agent. The answer. CO2 is the answer. Okay. Next, strongest reducing agent is potassium due to large size. And moreover, magnesium +2 na charge, potassium +1, aluminum +3, sodium +1. Literally sodium, potassium +1 but why I am taken in K plus? Yakandre
Larger size.
If you compare sodium and potassium sizes, potassium size is large. Large means it is easily loses electrons. It is easily loses electrons means it is act as a strong reducing agent. That is the reason. Next, The compound which could not act as both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Al2O3. Al2O3 cannot act as a oxidizing or reducing. Why? ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾಪ? Aluminum shows only single oxidation state. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, +3ನೇ ಪಾಪ. So that's why it is never act as a reducing agent, oxidizing agent. You see remaining ಏನದು sulfur shows different oxidation states na, +4 +6 0. ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Next MnO2, manganese is a transitional element. Transitional elements properties you say one important
variable oxidation state, sir.
ade agutalla, manganese is a variable oxidation state. Next, chromium is also transitional element, so that's why aluminum is the only bad luck element. It does not show oxidizing and reducing agent. Why? Because it is a somewhat strong metal in the given options. Clear? This is easy. 8th question. In organic reaction, metallic lithium in liquid ammonia behaves as lithium ಏನಪ್ಪ metal. He is telling metal loses or gains electrons?
Loses electrons.
Loses electron.
Reducing agent or oxidizing agent? Reducing agent.
Reducing it.
That's all. Next, what is the oxidizing agent in chlorine water? Okay na? First chlorine water andre ಏನು observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು salt water. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ brine solution ಅಂತ? Brine solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ salt plus water is called brine solution. Okay na?
Yes.
Chlorine solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ brine solution ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ 10th books ಇದೆ.
Sir, NaCl solution is known as brine solution, no sir?
అవును. Concentration ಇಲ್ಲ,
Concentrated.
salt plus water brine. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay sir.
ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ plus H2O is called HCl plus HOCl. This HOCl is dissociated as HCl plus O. The final ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ Cl2 plus H2O gives 2HCl plus O. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ -1 ಸರಿ +1 ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ +1 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬರೋದು?
Yes sir.
ಮೈನಸ್ ನೋಡಿ -2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ +2, +1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? +1 ತಾನೆ? +1 to -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ gain of 2 electrons alwa, so that's why it is act as a oxidizing agent. This option HOCl is act as a oxidizing agent. Hypochlorous acid. Okay, aitama. Next question ಏನಪ್ಪ? Which of the following is the strongest oxidizing agent? ಇದು periodic table ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Fluorine sir.
Fluorine is the answer. Due to small size and high electronegativity, it is act as a strong oxidizing agent. In the reaction, Ag plus H2SO4 gives Ag2SO4 plus H2O plus SO2. What is the role of sulfuric acid? First H2SO4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ sulfur oxidation state ಏನು? +6. Please write there. Okay na? +6. In SO2 sulfur oxidation state ಏನು? +4.
Yes sir.
+6 to +4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ gain of electrons ತಾನೆ? Reduction gain of electrons ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
So that's why gain of electrons means it is oxidizing or reducing. So that's why H2SO4 is act as a oxidizing agent. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Next. Question number 11. Which of the following is both oxidizing as well as reducing agent? ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು +5 ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ. ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು -8 ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು +3 ಓಕೆನಾ. I want to cancel +8 -8. Always I have to equalize left side value with right side value. Sorry, right side value with left side value. This is fixed value -8. This -8 +8 cancel agutade. I want +8. Still how much I required? Already 3 ide. In next ಬೇಕು
5.
the oxidation state. Okay. So H2SO4 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, -8 +2 ನ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು?
6.
ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ by 2 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು -14 ಇದು +2. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 12 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, by 2 ಹಾಕಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. HNO3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆಪ್ಪ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ HNO2 +3, SO3 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ +5. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ 5th ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ HNO3 present in its highest oxidation state, it is not act as a
Reducing agent.
Okay, reducing agent. Sorry, not act as a reducing agent. Next, HNO2 act
Steady state.
it may lose electrons or it may gains electrons, so that's why it is act as a oxidizing reducing. But SO3 cannot. Why? Because it is only gains, no chance to loss. Highest in oxidation state na, so highest means it is only act as a oxidizing, that does not act as a reducing. Next, oxidation numbers ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬೇಗ? Question number 13 ಇಂದ 25 ಬೇಗ make it now only. Chlorine in +1 oxidation state. Fourth option. HCl ಅಲ್ಲಿ -1 ತಾನೆ, ICl ಅಲ್ಲಿ iodine +1, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ -1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ +1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್? ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್. ಸೊ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೂಸಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗೇನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. Next, +7 third one chlorine. Next Cl2O +-1 sir, +1
sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth option is the correct one. Right, 2x + 1 × -2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to +2, x is equal to 2/2. Next, Br2 to Bro3-. Br2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್? 0 Bro3 +5 or
+5.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? 0 to
Third option.
Third option.
0 to plus 5. Next 15 can you do? ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. CH for hydrogen ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ? One topic completed yesterday. Asked to discuss in this point. ಆಯ್ತಾ? CH4 -4 ಆನ್ಸರ್? Yes sir. CF4 +4, CCl4 +4, CO2 +4. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ -4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ CH4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ N3H ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ -1/3 ನಾ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 17 ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ.
Second option, sir. 17.
SO3 2 minus +4
Yes sir. +4 +3 +5.
+4 +3 +5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is less than this one, this is less than this one. Second option. Hmm. 18th one ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. N3H -1/3. Next NH2OH. 3 hydrogens -3, then +3 -2 +1. Next N2H4 +4 -4/2. +4 -4/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -2. Next NH3 -3. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? -3 -2 +1 -1/3 +1.
Plus 1.
ಈ ಆಸ್ಕಡ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿನಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
Gave NPH.
Option 1.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 NH2OH -2 +3.
-1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಸರ್.
-1 ಇದಾ?
Yes sir, -1.
ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್?
Yes sir.
ಸಾರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ H2S2O7 ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. H2S2O7. H2S2O7 is called oleum name. Oleum.
Sir, +6, sir.
+6. Next K4FeCN6 +2. So ನೋಡೋಣ K4FeCN6 4 into +1 plus x plus 6 into -1. CN charge -1 ಅಪ್ಪ. x is equal to +6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, +2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. +6. +6 and +2. S8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 0.
0.
S8 ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Round.
Round ring structure. So if you take this is sulfur, this sulfur is bonded with how many sulfurs? 2 sulfurs. This sulfur is bonded with 2 sulfurs. Okay na? So that's why oxidation state is 0. Sorry, oxidation state is 0, covalence is 2. Covalency 2 means each sulfur is bonded with 2 sulfurs na? So that's why covalence is 2. Next, question number 21 ಮಾಡಿ. Hey. What happened? NO2, what is the oxidation state? N2O4?
+4.
+4. Next, P2O5 +5. Next, N2O +1 na? NO -2. Alvaro +2. Next, +4 +6. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ?
+4 +6.
+4 +6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4th ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Sir, the third option it's +1 and -2. There is great difference, no, sir.
+1 and +2, not -2. Who told -2? Nitrogen oxidation state.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Nitrogen oxidation state is plus only, not minus. Okay. Phosphorus has the oxidation state of +3. Orthophosphoric acid. You please write formulas there. H3PO4 ma. Orthophosphoric acid andre. Next, phosphorus acid andre H3PO4. First one. Orthophosphoric acid means H3PO4. Phosphorus acid means H3PO3. Next, metaphosphoric acid means HPO3. Next, pyrophosphoric acid means H4P2O5. You please calculate in which compound you are getting +3 oxidation state. Second option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Question number 23. In which of the following reactions there is no change in oxidation number?
Sir, option 3.
Option 3 na? Why you are choosing option 3 ultimately? Why? Because neutralization reactions are not redox reactions. Enamma? Neutralization reaction andre enu first? Reaction between acid with acid na? Base with base na? Acid with base. It's called neutralization reaction. So neutralization reactions are not redox reactions. So redox reaction andre yav property irbeku? Duplex house irbeka? Change in oxidation number irbeku, left side right side. Okay na? Next, question number ಏನಪ್ಪ? 24 ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ. Na2S4O6 ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. -12 +2 10/4 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2.5 10/4.
Yes, sir. 2.5.
+2.5 ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Next, oxidation number of xenon. Barium ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ oxidation state +2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 into +2 plus x plus 6 into -2 is equal to 0. ಬೇರಿಯಂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್. +8. Next.
Yes, sir.
Types of redox reaction. Which of the following is a redox reaction? First option. Why first option I am taking? Why? Because change in oxidation numbers either side, but remaining the second, third, fourth option. Second, third, fourth option. No change in oxidation numbers. Okay, na? Next. The following species will not exhibit disproportionation reaction. ಇವಾಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ disproportionation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ?
Intermediate.
ಓಕೆನಾ? What is the chlorine highest oxidation state? +7.
+7.
Least oxidation state? +1. -1. ಇವಾಗ ClO4 minus chlorine +7. So that's why it does not show disproportionation reaction. Aste remaining you see intermediate oxidation states all are okay na. Next, 28. What is the phosphorus oxidation state in that equation? 0 na. P4 alli phosphorus oxidation state 0.
For 0.
In NaH2PO2 +1 na.
Yes, sir.
In pH3 -3.
-3.
ಇವಾಗ same element undergoes oxidation or reduction. What is the name of that reaction? Disproportionation reaction. So andre option 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, both oxidation and reduction. It is both oxidation and reduction. Next, question number 29 also same results you will get, both oxidation and reduction. Next, which of the following is a not redox reaction? Fourth option check ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Not redox reaction means no change in oxidation numbers, andre same oxidation numbers left side right side. Next, question number 31, first option. Question number 30, 31, just he reversed reactants products, that's it. So that's why 30th alli answer ಏನಿದೆ, 31st alli answer ಅದೇ, but reverse. Next, which is a redox reaction is exothermic reaction, means heat is released. Okay, now you please ask whatever the doubts you have in this. Take 2 or 3 minutes time, you can ask. Yes, you have to respond. Doubts ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲನೋ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. Indudar, say what's your doubt? JC Indudar. Why? Why I cannot hear me? Okay. Any doubts? Remaining students? Charan, Abhay,
No doubt, sir.
Kusma Rao, Nandan, Pawan, Rajwal.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Shivani, Charan.
No doubt, sir.
Next level 2 Madhyama. Level 2. So ಇರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ 30 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವ 32 ಆಯ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ ಹಾರ್ಲಿ 12 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ 2 ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 13 to 26 ಬರೀ 13 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಕೆನಾ 13 to 26 ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ Students, will you do?
Yes, sir.
Please, you have to do. Thank you. Prepare well for examination. Thank you, Amma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.